Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be making a confectionery marshmallow cream. Tasty. Now the flavour of this is that favourite of most people. I've done a survey of 1,000 people and 95% of you guys said you wanted coffee. So coffee is what we're doing. Don't forget your recipes down below the video, and whilst you're down there, there's some playlists, and also if you've never subscribed before, just press the subscribe button. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for your recipe, 680 grams of icing sugar, 85 grams of coffee, 340 grams of butter or margarine, 450 grams of marshmallows. First job we'll do is put on our beater. Now this is actually a creaming beater. It's like rubber edges. And this particular one I've got here is heat treated. Add in your butter. And all we're going to be doing with this is creaming it up, so it's all nice and light. Don't you like that when you got a squeak? Right, now we're going to knock it up onto 6 speed. While the cream is mixing up and getting light, we're now going to put our marshmallows into the microwave with the coffee. Right, give these marshmallows around about 2 minutes. Let's have a look at our cream. Oh yeah, it's starting to get nice and light. Right, we'll get the marshmallows out. And now what we need to do with these is give it a good mix round. Just make sure all the marshmallows are mixed in together, so there's no lumps. And that's it. We're now going to start adding in our icing sugar. Be very careful when you're adding in your icing sugar because it'll go everywhere. Gentle at a time. You're not going to get away from it. It is going to go everywhere, but be careful. And now we're going to give this a good mix up. So turn it up to around about 6 speed. They're starting to get nice and light. The rule of thumb is when it's white, it's right. Or the other saying is when it's white, it's light. And that's that. So now we'll add in our marshmallow cream. Now we'll start them up and get them on to about 4 speed. That's really well mixed in. And that's it. As simple as that. That is your coffee marshmallow cream. Well, there you go, guys. Wasn't that easy? I'll tell you now, it's amazing when you start doing summer how easy things is. And that cream tastes absolutely lush. There's no doubt about it. And obviously you can make different flavors you want. Well, this was obviously coffee. And if you want it stronger, then just add more coffee in. And don't forget, guys, your recipe is down below the video. And also, do check out my playlists. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!